Hello, welcome. In this video I'll show you a few things you can do to fix your freezing problem on your Asus ExpertBook. So the first thing that you want to do is just reboot your laptop, because this is an ancient old solution and will most likely fix the problem. And the second thing is I want you to open the task manager, which you can do just by pressing here, right click on the Windows icon task manager, and check if, for example, your CPU or RAM is under more load than usual. And if it is, then most likely this is caused by some kind of software running in the background, and you have to just disable it. And the next thing to prevent it from happening again is searching for startup apps. And now disable the apps that are running in the background, because the startup apps start when you boot your laptop, and they most likely are loading the RAM and your CPU. And next, I would recommend you to go to your System tab here and go to Power and Battery, and make sure that your laptop is charged enough so it doesn't lag, and set the power mode to best performance so it will get better performance, obviously. And make sure that your energy saver is disabled. So if you enjoyed this video and consider helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.